Hi everyone, how are you? I hope you all are fine, doing well and enjoying the life, and welcome to my YouTube channel Luxuriant Fashions. Today viewers, I am going to back with the most beautiful, stylish, top trending, top elegant design ideas for new stylish short hair cutting ideas, nape ball haircuts, buzzcut lover for ladies, blood wire cut with ladies and very gorgeous designs, and your ultimate destination for chipboard and trendy haircut ideas. Very pretty and very wonderful design ideas from a stylish buzzcut lover for ladies. All my best friends were a short ball hair cutting and businesswomen and manager forced to shave the undercut. I must suggest you to watch then my videos and please like my videos, share my videos with your friends and your relatives. Thanks for watching my videos. Keep visiting my channel, new updates and new design ideas and new trending and stylish hair cutting ideas. So viewers, like my videos with your friends, and first of all viewers, like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel, new updates and new design ideas and new trending short hair cutting ideas. Press the bell icon and give your feedback in the comment section, and friends, do support me by sharing my videos and like my videos, and keep visiting my channel Luxuriant Fashion, new updates, new designs and new video ideas.